Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Ren.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about Ren, and as you guys know, this is not financial advice. So do your own research, and yeah, this video is not financial advice.
So as you can see, it's got quite a high market. Well, it's mid-tier market cap, $1 billion, quite high, quite small. But the main thing is the whole of the supply of the coin. The max supply has been released. It's all in circulation. We have 1 billion Ren tokens in supply right now, which is 100%, meaning every single token can now be bought up on exchanges. There is nothing left to be released of this coin, therefore it's fully finished. So it's ready to pump up basically, and it hasn't yet. So that could be indicating we have a time. If we look at its all-time high, as you can see, it was $1.83, so an 80% increase from where we are now, basically 70%. Meaning we'd need about another $700 million to flow into this coin, for it to break its all-time high, which is definitely possible considering every single token that's out there right now. But there has to be a fundamentals for the coin for it to go up. So let's go check out the fundamentals of this coin.
Okay, so as you can see here, they have got their own website and they have got their own page. So as you guys can see, the first thing you can see here is they have spoken about liquidity unchained. So this is an introduction for Ren, and it's an open protocol providing access to inter-blockchain liquidity for all decentralized applications. So it brings Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, ZEC, and you can also move to your Ethereum app. So there's a lot of stuff that you can actually do with this cryptocurrency, which is pretty amazing. As you can see here, they've got a lot of stuff that you can bridge to. So 1inch, Acala network, and a lot of different backers, which is amazing to see, especially how amazing this cryptocurrency actually is right now. You can also transfer any token between any blockchain, which is amazing. Let's say you have a coin in Ethereum network, and you want to transfer it to the Polygon network or the Binance Smart Chain network or Avalanche, or any network that you want to be transferring it to. You can actually do that, so you can access tokens from any blockchain from your existing smart contract without having to worry about wrapping or unwrapping tokens. By the way, guys, the meaning of wrap or unwrap is through the tokens. So let's say you have a Bitcoin in your MetaMask or Ethereum network, and you want to send it somewhere, you would need to use the wrapped version. The wrapped version is the exact same as the as normal Bitcoin, same price, everything is similar. However, you can be able to send it and receive it because many different applications don't have Bitcoin to send and receive. So they make a wrapped version in order to do that. If you want to learn more about it, just type in Google. It'll give you more of a better understanding of what wrapped is.
So it's also 100 times faster than atomic swaps, and that's also a really known one, which is actually really good. So 100 times faster, that's pretty insane. Integrates into existing infrastructure, composable with DeFi. So it's connecting the unconnected, and this is something we really need in the crypto space. This is very helpful, especially for example, if you're staking, for example, Ethereum, you get that wrapped. You're not going to get Ethereum back in rewards. You're getting, for example, Reth 2 rewards Ethereum 2. That's what I'm getting from staking on Stakewise, for example. And you'll also be getting SWIs if you're an early adopter, for example. And all that is hard if you don't have these type of coins that bridge it for you. It's hard to get it done. So this is going to be a very useful, and it actually has a very real world use case, and I'm using it myself for this. Um, um, so as you can see, multi-collateral lending, so utilize your existing non-custodial smart contracts to collateralize cross-chain assets, bring cross-chain assets to your DEX, integrate cross-chain assets such as Bitcoin and Zcash into existing DEX or liquidity pool infrastructure. Cross-chain OTC trading, so traders conducting large volume OTC trades are no longer at risk of counterparties failing to honor their trade, which is really good. So there's a bit of security for people that are doing this. So you can see the supported blockchains that they have are Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Zcash, Dogecoin, and these are the assets that they have. And then obviously the network they have the Binance Smart Chain and the Ethereum network ERC20.
As you can see here, this is the bridging platform that you can use. So you can, at the top right, it shows you that you can integrate Ren VM. I'll say this is kind of like a similar wrapped version of what the Ren token is. So if you want to send and receive it, you'd need the Ren VM, and that's the application that you need to go to. Um, and here you can integrate it, you can do whatever you want, and you can bridge it. So it's very, very simple. Let's say you're using the Anchor protocol network. You can use this to bridge it to the MetaMask, Ethereum mainnet, or the Binance Smart Chain, or the Polygon network, or Avalanche, or anything that you're using right now. So anything. So Solana, Avalanche, Polygon, Ethereum, whatever you're using, you can integrate it, even from the dogecoin network, which is quite funny. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff that you can do, and this cryptocurrency helps to do that. And it definitely is going to be a use case for many years because as cryptocurrency grows as a whole, a lot of individuals would want to use this kind of stuff in order to bridge their tokens in an easier manner with low fees. And that's one thing that people like to use. If a cryptocurrency has low fees, it's amazing, right?
So it's literally as simple as this. It made it very simple for anyone to use. So all you do is you connect your wallet, so MetaMask or MEW. Most people are using MetaMask, especially for Ethereum, as that's the destination here. So all you do is, so what you want to send, let's say you want to send Zcash, and that you want that to be on the Ethereum smart chain. So then you just connect your wallet, MetaMask, and then you'd be able to get that done. Obviously, pay a small fee, and it'd be done for you like that. So it's obviously I don't have a wallet to connect here, but so I can't fully show you, but it is literally as simple as that. I'm sure it's very self-explanatory for you to do. And yeah, so that is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button over here. It helps us out more than you think, and so we'd really appreciate that. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day, and thank you.